Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having an issue with your Samsung Galaxy phone not displaying or showing notifications as pop-ups. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is slide up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. And then underneath settings, you want to select where it says notifications. So select the notifications button. And then underneath manage, select app notifications. And then at this point, you can toggle any of these apps on or off depending on your preference. So if it's toggled to the right and it's lit up blue, it means it's turned on. Otherwise, if it's to the left, like you see right here, it means it's disabled. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.